Beef up the already aggressive front end of your Ford Bronco with the all-new ZROADZ Pre-Runner Baja Series front bumper hoops. The Baja Series Pre-Runner bars are manufactured of a 2-inch steel main hoop, laser-cut steel brackets, and come in a low-gloss texture powder coat finish to match the factory finish of the Broncos modular front bumpers. Both Baja bars are available as bars only, ready to mount your favorite aftermarket lights, or as kits, with your option of white or amber 4-inch round LED lights and wiring harness included. Enhance the accessory-ready modular front bumper of your Ford Bronco and add auxiliary lighting to your front end with the ZROADZ mid-length Baja bar that has 4 mounting locations, or the ZROADZ standard size Baja bar, which utilizes only the center 2. So if you're looking to bolt some attitude onto the front end of your Ford Bronco, check out the all-new ZROADZ Baja Series Pre-Runner bars now for the Ford Bronco.